What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Quick update. I ended up blowing the account just today. Not gonna lie. I ended up shorting like here, around about here. Yeah, and this is just evil, bro. Like, what is this? This was literally our target, and C did hit there. Price went back, reversed, and then ended up taking it out. Charge it to the gang. Honestly, it's fine. I will take that L. I'll take my L in peace. Uh, Hopefully, I don't know. Yeah, but we end up blowing the account, honesty and transparency. So I bought a new one. The boy had to buy a new one. I bought a new one. I was gonna wait until the end of the month, but I was like, fuck it, we're not going down like this. We're not going down like this. So we are starting from zero. All transparency. I did blow the account. We had like $4 left after we took this loss. And then yeah, now we're starting from over. So that kind of really sucks. Not gonna lie. Does it hurt? Yes, it hurts a lot. I'm not gonna lie, because I genuinely thought we had it this time around, but the market has other plans, bro. The market genuinely has other plans, and well, God has other plans. Because why would we go on a losing streak when we get the funded? Like that's just evil, bro, man. So, but anyway, analysis of today. I had already marked my London high, like the London low over here. This was my London high while it was going down when I checked the market earlier on, but clearly there's gonna be it right there. But let's just check out that daily real quick and see what's going on there. On the daily, having a nice reaction of this right now. Also, we have this fair value gap. You guys see that? We're reacting off that. And this volume imbalance, the midpoint. See that how price is reacting off that area right over there. And let's see what we continue. Will price continue going higher for the day because it's in an uptrend. If not, we might just catch maybe like a small retracement because the opening range gap is rather quite big. I'm not gonna. It's very big. So I don't know if we're gonna get a move of that. And then we have this 15-minute that caught my eyes. We have this 15-minute. We have that minor sell side right there, but we have this 15-minute fair value gap. I'm gonna wait and see how price reacts to that as well. And 15 minute, 15-minute fair value gap. So just have to wait and see the market open. For right now, this candlestick might breach this. If it closes above this, we might want to see price going higher and coming back up into this area. This this area. What's up? Hold on. Oh, but I want to see price come here. That's it. That's all I have to say for today.
The done. One guy.
Yeah, that's if it wants to go. But it's already shooting out before market open.
Yeah.
And we had news earlier on. We'll wait for a retracement. And then we're gonna see what happens. I forgot.
Do not disturb. It's time to lock.
People be calling you, bro. That's the last thing you want. You'll be calling. Did you see what happened yesterday? Oh yeah, this didn't get taken out. Was it yesterday?
That's on what's that?
That's Tuesday.
That's Tuesday, dude.
This has happened yesterday. We had like news, bro.
Bombs.
It's crazy. Look at this candle, bro. Look at this, bro. I think on the broker you can see it properly. If it has like a gap,
It
bro.
was none, but at the same time, if you just go to the right a bit, if you thought about holding trade and all of this happened,
And then this,
ah,
yeah,
God,
because this was like this was the opening range gap high. It literally came back up into that high and then it dropped again.
Mm.
So you could have held it and then it would have juked you. Like you want to hold it, things gonna go lower
yeah.
and then literally reverse.
But it would have stopped you out there. The top.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Took you out
saying.
there.
It would have taken you out. That's the thing.
But I think
then
if you had enough
only
coin and you held,
that's ridiculous. Why would you? Oh, that's
it's
crazy.
set and forget.
Nah,
Because if you think about it, if you held it and it came all the way down there, you still would have been better than what you could have took there.
nah, that's gambling, bro.
But I'm saying as like if you do Alex things there, set and forget.
True, true.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me see. If you had waited maybe for this macro,
Yeah.
you see the macro time. If we had
Yeah, I
waited
see
for
it.
that, you would have gotten a better trade. Oh
Yeah.
shit, to go short, way better.
But let's see what today has.
Let's see why. Let's
1
see.
minute left.
Dun, dun, dun. Ah,
Group assignment up bombs, yo.
want you to go.
Yeah, I had to go to campus for this group assignment thing. And niggas still not serious, dog. And it's due tomorrow. Yo.
Uh,
Someone's not gonna sleep today. I already see it happening. Fuck.
you're speaking of that. You're reminding me.
Is there an assignment?
No, I also have like I have a group one to do as well.
Shit.
Well, I did my part, but you know people.
Do ChatGPT then. Just leave it like that.
No, no.
Like nigga,
Sadly, it's not one of those.
get yourself straight.
Mm. Okay. I'm not opening that. Way too big. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, we're just gonna wait for this 50-minute candle to close. Let me see what it wants to do. But if it wait, depends on how many pips is this. 100. Yeah, we're gonna wait for this candle. This is it. See you can. What made the worst coffee yesterday? I forgot to switch on the kettle, bro. And then I had to warm up the entire thing with the
Ayo.
microwave.
It's bum.
Yeah, so ass. Tastes good because of the sugar, but
Otherwise, it's still not the same.
yeah, it's not the same, but ugh.
When are you writing?
Tuesday,
You have a nice, yeah.
Tuesday.
Some of us, it's Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. Yo!
I will be strong. So now,
It's quite down.
I want to see it come down here. It's 5 minutes. Be a nice short. Bro. Mm. Come on, bro. Yeah. Wait,
Yeah,
wait.
niggas are ridiculous. Space eggs.
What about it?
Didn't you hear they talk about space eggs, bro?
Like expensive as IPO, but IPO is ridiculous. Mm. What's today? The 1918. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. That's like How much time is left? 7 minutes.
Watch for the 15-minute candle.
Yeah, because we have, you see, we have this for value gap. So you wanna see if it's gonna respect that midpoint or not.
So if it does, it's gonna be giving us the signal of having
To buy.
buy now.
Yeah, and then you use this to go to buy. If not, if it closes below this, and then we'll probably sell. But I'll only sell to come for it to come here.
Yeah, to check out the lumber below.
Yeah. Because if it takes this out, then
It's gonna shoot back up.
yeah. Because also we had news, so it's probably taking out that news low, like we had news at what time was it? 8:30, which is this.
Yeah.
Wait,
You can see it was
This.
bouncing here.
yeah, it was like this, and then short price up. So now we just wait.
The boys are doing today.
Who? Oh, don't tell me about the Spurs, bro.
Tell me what do you mean if they disappoint? Tell me keep me at laptop today. They must just if they see they put Frostler first. You'll hear me then. Duh! Oh. Nah, I'm joking. I want to crash out for those niggas. They're making money. Me, I'm not making money.
Exactly.
If I was making money off them, then I'll be like, yeah.
It's not worth it, bro.
Yeah. But there's some people that crash out for football.
It's a passion, bro.
Yeah.
Well, for them. It's just, let me see. I think it's too big. It's big. If I'm gonna have to lower it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to lower it to be that much. Oh. Bam, bam, bam. We have 5 minutes left. Let me see. So it's 2 p.m. This one. This one. 4 p.m.
5 minutes left.
Please, please. We want this one to take out this one. If this indice takes out this low, and then we know this one is gonna continue going higher.
Automatic.
I don't know if that makes, they call it an SMT divergence.
Hey, English. Hey.
So we will low key, yeah, we want to see it take out this. Let's see what it. It's not respecting this daily wick.
I was even checking that nigga Alex yesterday. Made like 700,000 USD.
600. But
600, yeah, dropped to 600. Yeah. Oh, man. Wait, like imagine, but if you made that in one day.
You sad, bro. Well, for us in
For
South
us, we
Africa. For us.
for him, he feels like it's not safe.
State, exactly, bro. That's, bro. The greed is real, bro.
Yo, boy, we said for life. Yo.
The greed is real.
But hey, some people wouldn't be set for life. So we all know they'll blow it.
Yeah. I feel like when it comes to sometimes a certain amount of money, it just depends on your lifestyle. Because obviously, the higher you climb, right now you're living beneath.
Below that money that you think you have here.
Exactly. Right now you're living your lifestyle, what you can afford. But once you get specific amount of money, especially consistently, you get used to it. So for like example, for him, it's probably like it's not much, bro.
Yeah.
And it's like nah, niggas like
He looks at 100,000 as 100 rand for him. Yeah.
exactly, bro. Actually, nah, that's ridiculous. What would you?
Busy cracking up a BMW. That's almost future car, bro.
For real.
Some fucked up shit he did there, yo.
For real, bro. Mm.
Yeah.
Let's see what is this one doing. Oh, it's still kind of far from it. Well, hopefully Nasdaq doesn't.
I'm gonna just do my part. If the other parts are not done, I will see themselves. I've been holding it for them with these projects. But hey,
It's like we're gonna close below this.
mm-hmm.
And going from the low.
If it takes out that London low,
I mean, yeah, we're gonna close below.
ooh,
See, that's why I do what I'm doing.
must relax.
What was that? It doesn't show. Oh, we closed below it. For my sake. Wait.
Yeah, and you haven't reached your macro yet.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna wait. Just be patient.
Yeah, another 5 minutes. Yeah.
Mm. Because it literally could come back up into this
Mm.
and then use this to short to come
Basically, retest up there.
to the London. Yeah. So you it's just if you do want to short this, you just have to risk less because it's a big fair value gap
Mm.
just for this. That would be the trade idea. But me personally, I I don't trust it, bro. So I'm gonna wait for the macro and see what happens. But it close below it. Let's see if it makes this area jagged. Like if it's spending too much time like down here instead of like having a crazy movement, then we know it wants to go higher. So we just have to wait for it to come above this.
Mm.
Yeah. So for now,
Right.
yeah. He's just leaving it for nothing. Basically, 3 minutes until the macro.
Person that was painting this was painting bombs.
Who? I know they said that
It is gonna come. Whatever.
yeah. Yeah, my boy. Oh, wanted to go up, wait for it. Oh, something called. You see when it does, like you see how I anticipated to go higher, right? There's something called a Judah swing, or some people call it the Jewish, just as a joke. But a Judah swing is like the fake move before the actual
The
move.
actual move.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's why it's like it like traps people like, oh, we're gonna go short, and then a lot of people wanna go short, type of thing.
But there's some people that take that risk of just selling, you know.
Yeah, I mean, someone could have shorted this using this Faveli gap
Yeah,
and then
and
picking
still
out,
had respect at the bottom.
yeah, taking profit here and something like that. You know what I mean? But
Still not safe.
yeah, I mean, end of the day, it's just about your strategy and what you're looking for. If you know what you want.
But that will be considered scalping at some point.
Yeah. I mean, a move from yeah. It would be not wrong. So if we went short, we would have entered now. We would have been in for short. But like I said, we are not. We don't want to go short. I want to go. I want to buy. So I rather wait for it to show. If it does end up going short, then it's fine. It means no trade. But what we want to see it go higher. That's what I want to see. I could be wrong end of the day because this 50-minute candle can still close. It could make us enter here, yes, and then close below because this one closed thingy. But like how do I put this? I've seen this before type of story. So and on the daily, I'm looking at that daily chart of I want to see price coming to this volume imbalance. I know my eyes are set on that. So I rather just see if that will happen. And if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. Yes. So if it's gonna short, it's gonna go without me. But if it's gonna buy, it's gonna go with me. So that's my play.
Check the indicator, what does it say?
It's that's all here.
Yeah. Wait and see.
Yes, sir. Let me see. Oh, there's an S&T diversions. There's you see, yes. You see this low. You see this one, the same low. On Nasdaq, it didn't take it out, right? And then on ES, on this one, they call it ES. You see, they take it out.
Yeah.
Ideally, I wanted this one, but we take what we given. Let's see what happens.
This life no balance.
Could you please pause that iPad thing? Let's see, we'll cover the two losses on this account. On this account, there is, let me see, where is it? So I can show you history. There's two losses. Wait, there was a buy of Monday. Yeah, this is because we bought this Monday, Tuesday, which was yesterday. But on this account, the other one, yes, yeah, I'm not wrong. So we can wait for it to show us it wants to buy this thing. Trust. Just the process.
It's not closed, eh?
Yeah. So yeah. So it's but you, I told you this. The one we want to see it close
Yeah,
above that.
above the value gap.
This one, yeah. Ideally.
That's a good signal telling you, my boy. Here's money, here's money.
Yeah. Okay, so now that we see that we're having a reaction of this, you see that this first value gap, and then we're having this. If this leaves a fair value gap, if this leaves like a fair value gap, we could use that to short. If it leaves a fair value gap, but we want to see it come back into that this fair value gap,
Yeah.
and then we could use that to short. Because then right now it's giving us confirmation that it wants to go lower because it's respecting the lower half of this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because that means it's gonna go below this.
The 15-minute one.
Yeah, yes. So if it gives us this opportunity and it's gonna retrace back up into this, we could use this to short, and our stop loss would be above this. Let's see. Oh no.
So they came in for the deep cleaning that way.
Who?
The cleaners.
Yeah, she came. Okay, I didn't get the chance to enter the trade on my account, but we might hit take profit one because I made it that low, and then where's that London? It's this one. So there's the trade, right? Yeah, we use this way to enter. And then take profit one is this one, this low,
Yeah.
and then the second one is this one.
To London.
Yeah. Let me see some. I'm mad at you.
Niggas just so drained. I'm tired.
Damn, bro. Hopefully it goes back. Maybe we get full, but the first take profit here, it's not far. You see, it's not far.
It's close.
Yeah. But I can't enter on my account. It's too late for that. Pum, 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 pum. I'm mad at you. I'm mad at you. It's going back into the entry. Be nice, bro.
Something to tell you.
No,
How are you looking?
It's in drawdown.
Shit.
It's in drawdown. Wait. I wanna see if wait. If it goes if it goes if it goes above this one, we'll enter longs. We're gonna get stopped out there. We're gonna go longs. Yes, sir. This is that thing I told you, bro. We want to see it go up. So as it's gonna drop, there we go. Watch. Do you trust me, Sean?
I trust you, boy.
You should go on this. Wait, what? Yo. Yeah, if this one is cooked, then it's cooked, bro. Uh, we're using wait this one. What is it? I can't see the fair value gap. It's this one.
Make some bread and coffee there.
I'm gonna tell you how it goes.
But it's looking like it's gonna go up though.
Yeah, we're in profit.
Because if you see it, the last two candlesticks, pew, gone. See that last two candlesticks before that one that just appeared now?
Yeah,
You can see it's struggling to even go down.
yeah. And we had like a gap. So that's the trade. I'll wait and check you, bro. Ding, ding, ding. Um, that's the bag we took. You guys will see there. The first trade we took was a loss. And then we are aiming for this. So on the 15, I can't even see what it is on the 15-minute. On the 15-minute is I'm not gonna lie, the first trade I should have just stuck to my plan, so I end up losing. I mean, yeah, money I was not meant to lose, basically, because I was sit on buys. So let's just see how it pans out, and then That's the trade. So we're gonna have to. It's gonna recover the money that we just lost because we lost that first trade, the sell that we tried to take, and then now we went for buys. As you guys saw, we lost the first trade, and now we went for buys. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So this is the trade idea. Take profit one is this high over here, then take profit two is just when on the 15-minute it is literally this 15-minute take profit two, it's literally that. That's the trade. So yeah, I'll just see how it pans out and then so this first TP is gonna help us. It's gonna be a $30 win. So we're gonna recover the loss that we just made, the $26 we just made, and then the other one would be just $60 in profit, and then that's basically it. So yeah, I called it, bro. Literally, when I saw this, bro, and now price was just moving jagged, it did get me with this. I'm not gonna lie. Price did get me with this. Um, what you call this? Price did get me with this the value gap coming back into this and almost hit that TP1 that we had set over there. So yeah, we're gonna let it pan out and then hope for the best. Let me see what happens. So now price left this first fair value gap, and now it's testing. We want to see it respect the upper half of this fair value gap, and this one, and then you can continue going high. So ideally, if we had waited, this would have been our entry right now. Where we are would have been our entry essentially. So we want to see price respect that fair value gap. We want to see it respect this fair value gap and this one. This one my stop loss is below this right over there. So let it pan out and see what happens, boys. Oh, the macro's done. Oh, damn. Okay, let's just see will TP1 get hit in the next 5 minutes, and then we're gonna hop off. Let's see what happens. 5 minutes. Let me screen record this for you guys so you guys can see. We are in currently floating. We did lost that. We lose that cell, and let's see what that TP1 get hit all the way above there. So that's the trade idea. Let's see what happens. And yeah. Picking the entry right now. We want to see it respect this fair value gap, this midpoint. If it doesn't, then it's invalid. So don't get shook by that. We're having a nice reaction of that. Let's see what happens. Price is consolidating, bro. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, came back into this 5 minute fair value gap. As you guys can see, with this 5 minute fair value gap. This one. Giving a nice push to the upside. This 5 minute fair value gap. There's a minute left. So take profit one is right over here. The high of this. Let's see what happens. This thing is taking time, bruh. The chef's too machine. We touch. This is a long video recording. Come on, bro. I wanna hop off. Your boy gotta study, bro. Like school is tough right now. And that first TP got hit, bro. Well, just consider hit, bro. I don't know why it's doing that. It's juking me. I don't know. Bro, let me. This recording is 6 minutes long. That's so long. Okay, once this TP gets hit, and then we're just gonna hop off, and you guys will be able to disclose whether the rest of the trade hit or not, because that is on this one. That's that second TP, that 15-minute value gap on the daily time frame. That's what I got my eyes on. Price coming back up here. So let's just see what happens, and then I'm gonna see you guys. I'm gonna see you guys. Just consider it a W, bro. Just trust me. I don't want to make the video too long because it's already going to an hour long video, and we still have to edit and add the screen recording, and that just makes the process longer. So yeah, I'm gonna check you guys on the next one. Uh oh, looks like we're about to get hit. Let's see if they're gonna go for it. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Brother, you know what? Just let it do its thing. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. And yeah, cheers. Bye.